Hi guys, welcome to Happy Contents. Today's Hamster Kombat daily cipher code is off-chain. Let's type it in together. Hyphen, hyphen, hyphen for O, dot dot, hyphen, dot for F, dot dot, hyphen, dot for F, hyphen, dot for C, dot for H, dot hyphen for A, dot for I, hyphen dot for N. Let's take the prize, guys. Here we go. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you get notified each time I post a new video. If you like my contents, please give me a thumbs up and also leave a comment. It encourages me to do more. Thank you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.